here, quick video review of the Duraflame electric fireplace stove. I've got the flames on, no heat on just yet. You can see it's got this beveled glass here in the front door, which kind of helps with the illusion. I can open up the door. You can see the logs are, 3D in nature. So the light reflects from many different angles. And it has glass on either side, so it can be viewed from different directions. There's my kitty. Move, sweetie. Okay, it has different levels of flame effect. So here's 5, 4, 3. Excuse me, my cat's in the way down here. 2, 1, and then just glowing embers. Come down here and turn the heat on. You can adjust the thermostat in 2-degree increments. I have mine sitting up on these risers here, so they are not included with the heater. But being as my bed is a little bit high off the ground, I wanted to be able to see the flame effect from the bed, so that's why those are sitting there. Here is the heating element on, and let me back up from the bed so you can see what that looks like from afar. Some of the other models had the heating element at the bottom, which would be less visible and distracting against the flame effect, but I thought since I have hardwood, it might be a good idea to keep the heat source higher up off the floor. Not to mention the fact that since I added these risers to it, it actually directs the heat to blow right across the foot of my bed. So that actually was a kind of a bonus. So that worked out good for me. The front here and the sides and the top, even with the heat going, are all cool to the touch. So don't have to worry about kiddos or critters, right, shoes? Yeah. It also has a timer that you can tell it to go off after a certain length of time. So it looks like it goes from 30 minutes up to 9 hours. The only detriment or odd thing about this is, like, when you go to turn it off, it takes it a few minutes to actually power down and turn the fan off. You can hear the fan. It's probably about no worse than the fan from my actual HVAC system running. So I'll give you another listen of that real quick. So here's the fan not on. And here's the sound of the fan on. Not too bad. I don't know that any other heater could be any quieter than that and actually have a fan forced heat instead of just being a radiator. So yeah, not too bad, especially for the price paid. Got it off of Amazon for $142. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it so far.